desire to enhance and improve on the standard bike design has driven our in-house design team to develop a vast range of stylized components for your motorcycle. When you buy direct from Power Bronze, you buy quality engineered and designed accessories direct from the manufacturer. No other company can offer its customers such a direct relationship. Because we deal direct with our customers, Power Bronze can offer you the latest technology at amazing prices. What's more, our designed and engineered products can be configured to match your exact needs. Go online today at www.powerbronze.co.uk for the latest great deals.
Ordering online from Power Bronze not only saves money, but also allows you to get exactly what you want. You can learn more about new products, shows, special offers and technical information online at www.powerbronze.co.uk. Order online at your convenience and we'll deliver great accessories straight to your door. Most orders are dispatched straight from stock for immediate delivery. Use the quick search facility and easy to navigate website for secure and fast ordering on www.powerbronze.co.uk.